Oh, I'll get it, Grace. Oh, very well, miss. Christopher, so good to see you!
Julia! It's only been a day since our last visit. You act as if we've never seen each other.
Sorry?
Oh, it's okay. It's good to know you like it when we visit.
Well, why don't you come into the dining room? Would you like some tea?
Yes, that'd be wonderful.
Oh, thank you. So, what's new with Christopher?
Nothing much. My blacksmith shop is doing quite well.
Oh?
Yes. I've been thinking.
That's never a good sign.
Well, not usually, but I've been waiting.
It's hot.
I've been waiting so long to ask you this. I just needed the money. And now I have it. Julia, will you marry me?
Yes! Christopher!
What can I do for you, James?
Yes, it's me. I've come to clean my shop. Hand me over.
I don't think so.
Oh?
This is my shop. I just missed you. Get out.
I'll fight you for it.
No, this is absurd.
Are you a coward?
You want to fight? Fine. Let's fight.
Ha!
Have you heard the news?
What news?
Julia is engaged.
Really?
Yes, and you'll never guess to who.
Wasn't she with a man named Paul for a little while?
Yeah. No, I believe that was a few years ago.
Oh, yes, it was, wasn't it?
Christopher.
Christopher?
Blacksmith.
Blacksmith?
No. True.
Her father would never allow.
I know. I don't even know if he knows.
He probably doesn't.
I wonder if they're going to elope. That would perfectly be a scandal.
You're right.
Oh, jeez, I...
That's been Elizabeth and how have my darling friends been? We've been darling.
We've also heard some news about you and Christopher.
Christopher? And me? Well, he did propose to me yesterday.
That's wonderful.
Why didn't you rush over and tell us?
Yes.
Well, it was so sudden. I wanted to tell you, but I suppose I was just too busy thinking about it.
I see.
So, he should be coming by today if you girls want to stay. Oh, we'd love to. We could stay for a little while, I suppose.
But we couldn't stay long. We have to get ready for the ball tonight.
Yes.
Are you coming?
No, I think Christopher and I are doing something tonight.
Oh, how sweet. How very sweet.
And what time is the ball? 7:30.
No, it's at 7.
No, it's 7:30.
I'm sure. It's at
Well,
7.
Who told you?
You did.
I did not.
Ladies,
It's at 7:30.
It is at 7.
No, 7:30.
I have heard from multiple people that it's
You said I was the only one who told you, and I know.
I am positive it is at 7.
Well, I heard it from Anna Marie, and she's always perfectly on time for these things.
Yes, perfectly on time. She showed up 15 minutes late to the last one. Do you not remember? So what dress are you going to be wearing?
I'm not absolutely sure. I'm thinking either a red one or a white one. Would you like to come and give a second opinion?
Of course. Although I must say that green one of yours is absolutely divine.
Come in.
Sir Christopher. Sir Christopher,
Yes, may I help you?
I have orders from the Queen for you. She wants you to make a special sword for the prince. Here's the design.
This is a very difficult design, but I can do it.
Very well.
leave.
Oh, what? You can't! Why? How? Where? When?
Sit down, son. The Queen has given me an order for a sword. It's a very difficult design and I have to go get the tools to make it.
Can't someone else do it?
Well, I'd hope so, but I'm the best they have. And it'll pay good money. Money for us to live on. Money for our wedding. I promise I'll come back.
I wish you didn't have to go.
I know. Here's the key to my shop. Keep it safe. Goodbye.
Bye. Julia, you have a letter. I believe it's from Sir Christopher. Thank you. Dearest Julia, Christopher.
Emily, with our wedding coming up and all.
Oh yes, James, I can hardly wait.
Yes, tonight.
Let's dance.
Dance? Me? I can't dance. And besides, there's no music.
Yes, you can, you big lad.
Emily? I was going to tell you, it's difficult to say.
Just tell me, James. It can't be that bad. Besides, there's nothing you could say that would ruin my love for you.
I hope so. Emily, don't look at me like that. It makes me nervous. Emily! I fear I'm out of a job.
What? But you had such a good job at the blacksmith shop. It paid well.
Don't you love me?
I wish I could say that I loved you, but the point is, my family is dead. The money is running out. I can't marry you if you don't have a job.
Emily! Oh, Emily, please. I know jobs like that are hard to come by, but always enough money to do anything.
James, I'm sorry. I cannot.
I swear I'll kill Christopher and have this shop and have you back.
You have a letter, sir. Thank you.
It's locked! We're on Queen's business. That coward running away from me. Where do we put the key? She's always with Christopher. I bet she knows where the key is.
Can I help you?
Actually, yes. You know Christopher, right? I mean, I've seen you two together before.
Yes, I know Christopher. We're engaged, actually. He's out of town right now, so I'll tell him that you've called upon him when he returns. What is your name?
My name is James. He wanted me to watch after the shop while he was gone. I used to work with him in the shop. He wanted me to watch after the key while he was gone.
No, you see, he didn't tell me anything about you getting the key. I'm sorry.
No, please, I need that key. Fine, I'll get you and that key. shop and be better and greater than you will ever be!
That'd be the day, Shop.
Christopher? I
Yeah?
just talked to the florist. He lost all order.
That's preposterous.
It is preposterous, but he's out of town now and there's nothing we can do about it.
We'll have to go to the market and get some celery.
Celery?
Yes, people will talk about it for years.
Because they'll think we're insane. Christopher, celery, it doesn't exactly...
James, let her go!
No, I'm going to take her from you as you took my job from me!
No!
Julia. Sir, are you alright?
Yes, just a dream.
Yes, sir.
Nigel!
Yes, what's wrong?
Have I received any letters from my Julia?
No, sir, I would have given them to you.
Oh, I see.
Sir, are you alright?
Yes, you may leave.
Right here.
She's not like this. She loves my letters. She would have written by now. Something must be wrong. Nigel!
Yes?
I have to go home.
Is there something wrong?
I think Julia is in trouble. I don't know why, but when you're in love, you just know.
That's beautiful, sir. The carriage is just outside. I'll stay behind to retrieve your tools when you are done.
Thank you.
Go, James.
You remember my name. Very good. Now ask you for the 100th time. Where is the key?
What key?
You know a key? Christopher's key. The key to the shop. Where is it?
Why do you need it so badly?
Well, Christopher is the best blacksmith in town. He finally me the job I love. I want to break him and his pretty little shop.
I will never tell you where the key is. I love Christopher and I won't let you hurt him or his shop.
Fine. You want to do it the hard way? Fine. Yes, sir. Now, I'll ask you again. Where is the key?
I won't tell. Stop! Christopher!
Dear Christopher, I'm fine. How are you? Tools coming. They're almost finished. Farming fresh writing to you. There's a man named James. Today wanted to have the key to your shop. But I didn't let him because I didn't let him do it. I've hid it under my white pillow in my bed. What do you think?
I won't tell.
Get your hands off of her.
Christopher.
James, let her go.
Nah, she's worth too much to you. Listen, I'll make you a deal. We'll sword fight to the death. If you win, you get Julia and the Blacksmith Shop. But if you lose, well, you're dead.
No, Christopher, don't.
Hey.
Die! Ah!
No celery. You see, celery is produce. You have flowers at a wedding, not produce.
Well, we can add some color with carrots.
No, because carrots are also produce. You just can't have vegetables for your flowers at a wedding. It simply is not done.
Cherry blossoms?
No.
With cherries?
No. It's not flowers. No.
Cherry blossoms are flowers.
Well, yes, but they're not the same thing because I'll get it. Yes.
So Christopher, yeah.
Yes, for a moment. Christopher.
Nigel! Christopher! Your tools are ready. Do you want me to put them in your shop?
Yes, that'd be wonderful. Here's the key. Nigel,
Yes.
you know, Julia's lost her maid. Would you mind working for both of us now?
No worries.
We are gathered here together today to witness the marriage of Christopher and Julia. These two
I'll never leave you again.
James? Are you there? I saw you come in here. Wrong of me to leave you like that. It was unkind. James? James! James, answer me! Dead. How foolish I was. Was that Christopher's blade that pierced your heart? It must be.
We can put flowers with the celery.
No. See, no, that wouldn't work. See, the celery is completely different. Look at it.
My costume broke again.
I wish you didn't have to
I know, but I don't know my line.
Sorry. Okay. I was just talking to myself about my email.
Okay.
Okay. Hurry!
So bad. I can't get this.
Hello?
Christopher! I'm pregnant!
That'll be okay.
I know.
thought about that one. Yes, and then maybe like with that that gold covered shawl you got. Yes.
We are gathered here together today